Bong menga,
bong menga,
bong menga,
bong menga.
Kusasi tinga,
Tinga, tinga,
tinga, tinga. Bong menga, tinga ya. Our fathers walked this ground before names were written, before borders were drawn. We opened our hands, we opened our homes. Mamprugu came as guests, not as owners of thrones.
Kusasi batinga nyanga bokya nenga.
Bong menga, bong menga, land of our blood, land of our name. You can't rule a people you don't belong. Roots decide where crowns can stay. Oh man, tinga kayale,
Tinga kayale,
tinga kayale.
then words became fire, fire became steel. Brother turned enemy, pain became real. Children ran from sounds of fear. Mothers cried for sons not here. No tribe wins when blood is spilled. No land is proud when graves are filled. Kum katinga zong, kum kanyanga, kum kanyanga.
Who owns the land?
The people,
Who knows the land?
the ancestors.
Can power change truth?
No.
Then elders rose, calm and wise. The nation spoke with open eyes. From the golden stool came truth, not fear. Justice spoke, history was clear. Bawku returned to rightful hands, not by force, but by ancestral stand. Tinga laele la tonga, bong menga, bong menga. Let peace return, let wounds be healed. Strangers can live, but truth must stand. Respect the crown, respect the land. Bong menga,
Bong menga,
bong menga,
oh,
bong menga.
no.
Bong menga,
Bong menga,
bong menga,
bong menga,
bong menga. Let tomorrow be wiser than yesterday. Let names not divided what blood has paid. Bawku lives. Kusasi stand. Peace grows best on truthful land.